Hey, good afternoon, Lawrence. My name is Tameron here at Tameron Hyundai in Hoover, Alabama. I know you just got off the phone with John Petway, one of our sales managers. I wanted to send you this quick video, personalized video of the Santa Fe that you specifically inquired about. Let's dive in, shall we, Lawrence? In the front, we got the cascading honeycomb grille with the smart cruise control sensor. We got the LED daytime running lights, LED headlights, very sporty 19-inch premium alloy wheels, nitrogen-filled tires, blind spot detection, keyless remote entry. This is your 2020 Santa Fe STL 2.4 with the beige and black interior and the black exterior. Heated passenger and driver seats, power seats on the driver's side with lumbar support, all the safety features such as lane keep assist, lane departure warning, blind spot detection, backup camera, and of course forward collision avoidance. But the best part, Lawrence, about our vehicles are going to be the warranties. 5-year, 60,000 mile new car warranty, 20-year, 200,000 mile powertrain warranty, and 3 years, 36,000 miles of complimentary maintenance, including all your oil changes, oil filters, tire rotations, and multi-point inspections free for 3 years, 36,000 miles. I'm your guy. My name is Tameron. Give me a call. My cell phone is area code 703-505-1598. Here at Tameron Hyundai, you're going to love the way you're treated.